For users of Windows 11, please refer to the following steps to delete the driver manually. First of all, find this and search Control Panel. Click Control Panel. Find Hardware and Sound and click Devices and Printers. Find the driver which you need to delete. Click See What's Printing and cancel the printing documents. Click Yes. Right-click Windows icon and click Computer Management. Find the Services and Applications and then click Services. Find the print spooler in the list and restart the service. After that, we go back to Devices and Printers page. Right-click the driver which need to be deleted and click Remove Device. Then click any another printer device. Click Print Server Properties. Choose Drivers. Find the printer driver that needs to be completely removed in the list. Click Remove. Choose Remove Driver and Driver Package. Click OK and Yes always. Click Delete. After that, enter the Control Panel page. Click Uninstall a program. Find the print driver and uninstall it. Uninstall completed.